If one twin develops dementia, both twins will likely live a shorter life, according to a recent study. Scientists studied pairs of identical twins and fraternal twins, where one twin in each pair was diagnosed with dementia while the other was not. Identical twins share their entire genome, while fraternal twins and full siblings share about half. The researchers considered other factors like pollution, diet, education, and physical activity. In the case of identical twins, they found that if one twin developed dementia, both twins are likely to face a reduced lifespan. In fraternal twins, if one twin developed dementia, the non-demented twin also had a slightly reduced lifespan compared to those without a sibling suffering from dementia. The study shows that early life influences such as diet, exercise, and education during childhood can impact the risk of developing dementia later in life. The risk of a reduced lifespan in siblings is not solely due to the presence of dementia itself. Instead, it appears to be a combination of genetics and environmental factors that affect both siblings. A previous study from the University of Washington found that twins, particularly male identical twins, live longer compared to fraternal twins and singletons. This is particularly true for twins who often share a strong social bond, which further enhances their longevity. Artificial intelligence can now be used to screen for autism using just a photo of the person's retina. The retina is connected to the brain, and changes in retinal nerves have been linked to autism spectrum disorder. Researchers trained an AI model using images that indicated whether the subjects had autism or not. They then used this model to analyze the retinas of 958 children and teenagers, half of whom had already been diagnosed with autism. Remarkably, the AI could accurately identify those with autism and those without it. However, the AI was not as accurate in predicting the severity of symptoms based on the retinal photos. Despite this limitation, using AI to analyze retinal photographs shows potential in providing early assessments for autism and reducing waiting times for diagnosis. Early diagnosis is crucial for individuals with autism, as it can greatly impact their understanding of themselves and their ability to navigate the world. Autism symptoms typically involve challenges in social interaction and communication, such as difficulty in understanding social cues, limited eye contact, and challenges in developing and maintaining relationships. Repetitive behaviors and restricted interests are also common, with individuals often showing intense fascination with specific topics or routines and discomfort with changes in these routines. Speech and language development can be affected, ranging from delayed speech onset to difficulties in conversation and understanding figurative language. Owning a dog can reduce the risk of developing dementia and positively affect human brain health. A study involving 12,000 individuals found that dog owners over the age of 65 were 40% less likely to develop dementia compared to non-dog owners. Dementia is a condition characterized by severe memory loss and cognitive decline that significantly impacts daily life. The positive effects of owning a dog on brain health stem from increased physical activity and social interactions associated with dog care. Walking the dog, for example, provides exercise and opportunities for social engagement. Dog ownership contributes to maintaining physical activity and social participation, even during periods of limited interactions, such as the COVID-19 pandemic. While the risk of dementia was higher for dog owners who did not regularly exercise or were socially isolated, it was still lower than those who did not own a dog and lacked exercise or socialization. Spending time with dogs has also been found to reduce stress levels. Research shows that just a few minutes of petting a dog can lower the levels of the stress hormone cortisol in humans. Dogs make excellent support systems due to their unwavering loyalty, ability to sense and respond to human emotions, and natural inclination for companionship. The unconditional love and non-judgmental nature of dogs offer a unique form of comfort and support, enhancing the emotional and mental health of their human companions.